Not everything is as it seems. You might want to remember that.
Oh, we are so totally back for another road trip.
Yeah, but there's...
That is?
That's it.
That's great. Everything is not as... Oh, crap. These... This...
There's something practical inside.
I love you. I was wondering why these were so heavy.
Wow.
They're for washing clothes.
You're awesome.
She has issues.
I have so many issues.
$20 worth.
Wow.
Thank
pretty
you.
cool.
You're welcome.
That's
Thank you.
awesome.
And those are to snack on while you're washing
I was trying to
clothes.
figure out how I was going to do laundry when we got back this week.
I'll have you know she's like digging under her bed tonight, putting these quarters in the bed. And she goes, I only have one roll. And I said, that's okay, it's $10.
Yeah, no,